Welcome to Achi News. Get ready to explore the marvels of modern warfare with the HMS Queen Elizabeth, the largest warship in British history. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling naval adventures. HMS Queen Elizabeth is the largest warship in British history, taking 9 years to construct at a cost of $4 billion. With 1,200 sailors, soldiers, and aviation personnel, she is set to embark on a 4-month sea deployment, aiming to transform this warship into a combat-effective sea airfield. Today, we delve into the life aboard the British Royal Navy's flagship and witness the rigorous testing of the world's most advanced F-35B Lightning stealth fighter. However, the training process hasn't been without its challenges, including fires and flooding. As the powerful HMS Queen Elizabeth prepares to leave her home port, her first stop will be Florida, USA. Due to cuts in defense spending, Britain has never had such a large aircraft carrier, and many of these young personnel are serving on an aircraft carrier for the first time. They lined up in formation as the excited boarding chaplain carried a trident to guide them, and soon the captain ordered the lowering of the ropes to officially set sail, with onlookers waving farewell from the shore. A few hours later, having traversed the English Channel, the crew spotted a Russian warship approaching the Mediterranean, prompting a high-alert surveillance protocol and a caution that personal mobile phones were off limits. Below deck, the kitchen was bustling as they stocked 60 days' worth of food, including 5,000 chickens, 90 pigs, and 400 turkeys, with a daily food standard of about 3.11 pounds per person. Upon reaching the Atlantic, the EH-101 Merlin anti-submarine helicopter squadron arrived to carry out their mission of submarine surveillance and rescue operations. HMS Queen Elizabeth was not alone on this mission, as she was escorted by the British Duke-class frigate Monmouth, equipped with advanced missile capabilities for protection. Meanwhile, the crew undertakes a grueling workload. Mechanical maintenance personnel ensure the ship's vital systems operate smoothly. Suddenly, alarms sounded as seawater flooded in due to high-pressure leaks, followed by a fuel leak that posed a serious fire hazard. Firefighters and engineers sprang into action, racing against time to repair the damage within 15 minutes to prevent catastrophic consequences. Most of the equipment aboard is highly automated, allowing the Queen Elizabeth to operate with only 1,200 crew members, compared to about 5,000 needed on similar-sized U.S. carriers. Nonetheless, all personnel, regardless of rank or position, participate in daily cleaning, sorting waste, and sending it to be incinerated. After 2 intense weeks, the crew earned a well-deserved break for aircraft maintenance days, allowing them to relax on deck for the first time since leaving Portsmouth. As the Queen Elizabeth approaches Mayport, Florida, the commander briefed the crew on local conditions, urging all under 21 to adhere to the drinking prohibitions while on American soil. Once docked, the crew donned white uniforms for the ceremonial entrance, marking their arrival with tradition, but soon shifted gears to enjoy a celebration to break the monotony of sea life. In the following week, the first F-35 flights were set to take place, a crucial indicator of the carrier's combat capability. As the team prepped for operations, pilots like Squadron Leader Andy Edger and Nathan Gray excitedly anticipated the historic moment, 2 F-35 Lightning jets landing on the deck for the first time in nearly a decade. With everything in order, the first successful landing opened a new chapter for the Royal Navy. However, the demanding training schedule loomed with takeoffs and landings happening under all conditions, including harsh weather. Ground crew faced the challenge of ensuring safety and avoiding collisions through a specialized system of hand signals to communicate efficiently on a noisy flight deck. In a crucial moment of training, they tackled the fear of bird strikes on the carrier by employing advanced radar technology and deterrence to keep birds at bay. As the crew celebrated successes, they faced ongoing trials, including rigorous firefighting drills and logistics support activities to accommodate a variety of dignitaries visiting the ship. With a maximum weight of 65,000 tons and over 400 kilometers of pipelines, they trained under various operational scenarios. After completing a successful bomb drop, HMS Queen Elizabeth made its way to New York, preparing for a grand entry ceremony filled with government officials. Join us next time on Etcha News as we uncover more incredible stories from the high seas. Don't forget to subscribe for a front row seat to our next naval adventure.